28% of salaried professionals in India run out of money before the month end. If you're earning 50,000, the chances are you are broke by 25th of the month. But here is the shocking truth. It's not your boss, it's not your company, it's your habit which is silently eating your salary alive. Now, imagine this. If you save just 10,000 a month, in 5 years, you will be able to save more than 6 lakh without a raise, without a side hustle, just a smarter money habit. Stick with me because I'll show you 10 money hacks that my students used to save thousands of every month, and I guarantee you are making at least 3 of these mistakes right now. Before we start, quick question for you. On which date of the month do you usually go broke? 10th, 15th, 20th or 25th? Just go ahead and comment below into the comment box. Hello everyone, my name is Aamar Srivastava, your money management mentor and a side hustle expert. I help working professionals who are dependent on only one source of income, helping them to create a second one. I've helped professionals buried in debt transform into confident savers, and today I'll share the step-by-step system which I use with them so you will never look at your salary at the same way again. Ready? Let's go. Step number 1. Track every single rupee. This is called the detective step. Most people lose 15 to 20% of their salary without knowing where it went. The solution is track every single expense for 30 days. Use the apps like Walnut or Notebook, or you can use even simple pen and paper. One of my clients discovered he was able to save more than 3,000 rupees that was going into a chai break. Comment if you will start tracking your money today. Step number 2. Cancel useless subscription. Subscriptions are like financial vampire. Silent, invisible, but always draining your money. List all of your subscription. If you have not used in last 30 days, cancel it. One of my students cut down 6 of 9 out of subscription and he was able to save more than 3,000 per month. That's 5 lakh rupee in 10 years, just 10% return. Which subscription are you wasting money right now? Go ahead and type into the below comment box. Step number 3. Stop paying the laziness tax. Food delivery, cabs for short trips, instant grocery, quick commerce are actually laziness tax. Let's do a quick math. 2,000 per day on Swiggy, it means 72,000 per year. That's an entire vacation. One of my students, he cooked at home and the result was he was able to save more than 20,000 in a month. Replace 3 of your delivery this week at home. Comment 3 if you'll ditch the laziness tax today. Step number 4. Use the 24-hour rule. Impulsive buying or financial cancer. Before buying anything, ask yourself, is it really needed? Wait for 24 hours and then ask the question again. Now do I need it? This one step alone kills the FOMO before it kills your saving. Step number 5. Negotiate or bleed money. We usually bargain at flea market, but when it comes to broadband, rent or insurance, we stay silent. Why? Ego. Today, call one service provider this week, ask for a discount. I saved 500 rupees per month on internet with just 5-minute call. That is 6,000 rupees for a year. Step number 6. Automate your saving. If you try to save what is left at the month end, you will save nothing. The day salary hits, automate your 20% into a separate bank account. This one habit changed 100 of my client financial life. Step 7. Cook more at home. Eating out daily is not lifestyle. It's a slow financial suicide. Replace 50% of your outside meal with home cooked food. Not only will you save 40 to 60% on your food, but you will also save your future medical bills. Step 8. No spending challenge. This is actually a game changer. You know, consumerism is brainwashing. Now it's the time to reset your brain. Pick one category of clothes, maybe gadget, maybe eating out. 30 days no spending. Go on a 30-day no spending challenge. One of my client did it for 3 months. He was able to save more than 9,000 and he was actually so much committed he didn't even miss even one day. What's one thing you could stop buying for 30 days? Go ahead and type into the below comment box. Step 9. Kill the debt before the debt kills you. Debt is not a number, my dear friend. It's a parasite. One of my students was paying 12,000 in EMI and he was able to pay with an aggressive payoff plan and he was able to become debt free in just 8 months. What you need to do, list down all of your loan and start paying which is smaller. Follow the snowball method. You will be able to become debt free as soon as possible. Now last but not the least, invest in your skill, not in the stuff. This is the ultimate mindset shift. Saving money does not mean cutting the joy. It means redirecting your own money towards the growth. Instead of buying a new gadget, invest in the skill, course or in a side hustle. That's how ordinary employee become the extraordinary wealth builder. Here is the raw truth. Most people are not broke because they don't earn enough. They are broke because they don't respect their own money. Money problems destroy many of the dreams, marriages and even mental health. But when you take the control, you gain peace, confidence and freedom. Imagine this, looking at your bank balance and realizing you are not broke anymore. You are building wealth day by day, slowly, and that feeling is priceless. So, here is your challenge. Pick 3 out of these 10 steps and start today. Comment below with the number like 147. I'll reply to help you stay accountable. And if this video gave you a value, smash the like button, subscribe the channel and share this one friend who is broke by 20th of every month. Remember, money can either control you or you can control the money. The choice is yours. Once again, this is your friend Aamar Srivastava, your money management mentor, reminding you money saved is not money sacrificed. It's the money transformed into the freedom.